Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Just take a look how cute are these small bags. Look at this, Paris directly from China. Look how cute are they. And the material, it's like some cotton fabric. And here a bit of artificial leather. So just to give you a sense how small are these, I have a USB here and you can see like what you can put inside and maybe car key. So they are really small. So the size is around 10 centimeters with 8 centimeters. But it's nice for some coins or interesting gift to somebody. And they have many more designs, not only in this style but also some other styles like Hello Kitty and some other designs. So you should definitely check out this store. I will leave the links below and you can see if you like something you can order. Just to compare their sizes with the size of regular backpack. Huge difference, right? That will be all for this cute video. Thank you very much for watching and have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you.